Ain't these the cutest? And they light up.
But since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and should.
Hey y'all, Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
So, it is currently January 7th, right? It's Tuesday, January 7th. And good news, we are kicking off the new year right, okay? My son, I told you guys in a couple vlogs back that my son scored high on his state test, so he was eligible to take the talented and gifted test. Well, his scores came back and your boy got accepted into gifted. Yay! I'm so proud of him, y'all. And his scores are really high. So it says in his mental ability he scored 98%, his achievement 94%, creativity and motivation 100%. So that's amazing, y'all. Like, he's overachieving. And I just hope he keeps up the good work. And it's exciting. I've never been in talented and gifted, but I always had like AB honor roll. But I'm not actually sure how this talented and gifted thing goes, but I'm gonna find out since my son is in it. I know that his teacher said he will be able to stay in her classroom because I asked her. I didn't want him to be taken out of her class. But she was saying they put him in her class because she's talented and gifted certified. So that's great. I'm excited for that. I love his teacher. He loves his teacher, so that's amazing. All the kids are home from school. MJ playing with his Mario track. Wow, it made it all the way through.
And I'm playing this game.
Hey to the vlog.
Hey to the vlog. Hey to the vlog.
Woo! So Masai's in the room watching ASMRs on the iPad. But I just wanted to say that y'all already know, if you've been subscribed to me for a while, you already know I celebrate the real New Year's in March, but in cahoots with the calendar, we are celebrating the new calendar year, January. We have a lot in store for this month in general. My son turned 7. I cannot believe it. What else do we have planned? We have a few things planned for this month. I don't want to spoil too many things. I'm getting ready to go study because I have a test to take tomorrow that I need to get out the way. Or I might take it tonight. It really just depends. And then we're probably going to go food shopping tomorrow because, like I said, your girl's off work. I'm no longer working permanent. Well, I was never permanent. I was temp anyways. But I'm not working there full time anymore. I'm back on call. So Mike is off tomorrow, so we'll probably go to Sam's Club and rack up on a few things and go to the farmer's market and stuff like that. So Friday's supposed to be snow, but we'll see. So I'm not sure if they're gonna close the schools or not, but if you live in Georgia, then you know as soon as they say anything about snow, the whole state panic and they shut everything down. So we just gotta be prepared, you know. So other than that,
what did you just do?
everything else is good. Mike is at work.
I got it.
So let me get to studying though. I don't want to be on here babbling too much. I'm already tired.
Maybe take the
I need to be studying. Hey.
It hit a tree going this direction.
Look,
the car
say
went up and
hey.
around was facing.
Give me a kiss. He's trying to ignore me. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, you're so sweet. Well, me and Mike went to Walmart yesterday. We found some Bodak noodles, Samyang noodles. This is the carbonara. We never tried this flavor before.
Yeah,
So I can't wait to see how it tastes.
Spicy noodle challenge.
I can't wait to see how it tastes.
Yeah,
We're supposed to be getting some snow tomorrow, y'all.
spicy noodle challenge.
You gonna try some?
Yeah.
I'm just playing. I ain't gonna let you try to jump too high.
Spicy.
Kids are out of school. Everything closed down. I got so many emails. Doctor's office closed. I was gonna say closed. Schools and everything. We supposed to be getting snow, and it's supposed to start at 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna vlog tomorrow at 8 o'clock and let y'all know how they go. But in the next clip, y'all will see me and Mike eat these noodles.
By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I.
This man talking about he hungry.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I want to eat Shashi.
Alright, y'all. We got the Bodak noodles. I'm recording on YouTube and my phone, so I'm gonna be looking back and forth throughout the whole video.
It's time, baby.
This is the carbonara spicy chicken flavor. We got this out of Walmart, this pack. How much was it? Like $7, $7.97?
Yeah,
93 or something like that.
And how many times did we do this challenge?
We never did this flavor, but we did the 1-time spicy, the 2-time spicy, and the 4-time spicy.
Got some on our belts, you know?
Yeah, that was years ago though. If y'all follow our YouTube channel back when we had our couples channel, Mike and Cora, then yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, come on, get your pack.
Get your pack.
Got the pack.
Daddy, get your pack.
And sauce? I thought this was like
Oh,
like
yeah,
the vegetables.
This ain't the one with the vegetables. Powder and
Alright.
sauce.
Alright.
Powder and sauce?
That's what he say.
I don't know about that.
I should have put a little water in it. Alright, now for the hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
Ooh!
It's hot. Let me see.
Mama already scared.
Hot sauce. Hot. Give that. No. Can I see it? Did you see that? Mix it up. Yeah. Whoa.
And I got us some boiled eggs cooking, but
I don't think I'll be done in time.
it actually should be done, but I have to peel them. That's the only thing.
Oh, yeah. Time for some. Alright, so I'm getting mine together right behind him. Hurry up.
Actually, finna cut it off and we're gonna come back because he taking too long. And I need to cut the eggs off.
Stuff it right. Shit.
Okay, got the eggs. I cut them in half. I boiled these things perfect.
Mrs. Boiled the eggs perfect, she said.
Okay. So I'm gonna just leave it right there. All right, you ready?
Yeah, y'all ready?
Alright, so I'm gonna get
I don't think this is gonna be that hot, but we're gonna see.
Powder might take
All right, you ready?
That's why I wanted to try.
Yours, mine's a little darker than yours.
Probably because you got more water in it. All right, you ready? Set.
Go. Thank you, mommy. Good. It's good, mommy.
Ooh! It's hot.
That's why.
You been a while, yo.
Michael, no.
Give me some water too.
Ooh.
My job tingles.
It almost looks like it's white fever. It's almost cold. Banana. Mommy. Because it's
It's good, but it's spicy, y'all. It always have been. This is the first one you gotta put powder in though. All the others you put the seasoning, like the vegetable stuff.
I can't talk.
This one got the powder in it.
I cannot talk.
Ain't that bad though, it's good though.
Mm.
Definitely got a good flavor on it.
He always tell my son ain't that bad.
Those are good.
Mm.
Woo!
After this, I want to let one of the kids try one.
Mm-mm.
Yep. Yeah.
I'm just talking about that.
They're gonna be crying, right?
I'm not crying.
Crying so
Look, and you hear them talking about, no, we not. Yeah, okay.
It's all this to make a grown person cry.
I want to sleep.
Okay, girl.
Get out of way.
I ain't playing, I'm finna get done.
You for a second.
Finna eat an egg.
Mm-hmm.
I'm halfway through.
I'm almost halfway through.
You're doing too much talking, not enough eating.
Mm-hmm. I'm crawling.
Mm.
Hey,
Yeah.
I eat it.
Mm.
we'll play again, have fun, big boy. It's going away.
Listen to him, he do this every time we do a challenge. You know that damn well.
Mm.
My nose running.
Hello.
Mm.
Pay attention.
Because I did Mommy. No.
The egg hot. Somebody give me some tissue, my nose running.
Layla, you want tissue duty? Grab mommy and daddy some tissue. Please.
Maybe you can get 2 waters out the freezer.
If I put more in the freezer,
I put us 2 waters in there.
she ain't gonna be able to reach it.
Mm. Thank you.
Welcome.
No, daddy.
I'm right.
Mm. He's on step away there for a second.
Ooh. Definitely not as bad.
The other ones.
We done did 4 times spicy. I think that's hotter than this.
What? He's on still pretty much. My twin. Scooby out.
What's it to me, man? Mm.
This is the ramen. Yes.
Mm.
Oh, you can't stop me.
You don't want no egg?
No air here.
Yes. Why? Why?
He capped up. Cause soon as the camera cut off, his ass gonna be eating it.
At least some water at least.
One more egg. Please.
Alright.
Mm. One more bite.
Mommy.
Last bite. Ugh.
Suffering.
Daddy. One more egg. Why don't want the boiled egg, Daddy?
Oh, yeah, you eat mine. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Alright, 4 more bites.
I'm done.
So squishy.
Whew. I got it.
It's sweet delicious.
He playing around with it. I told you, you need a boiled egg.
I gotta finish off.
It coats your tongue and your stomach. One time, my butthole burning later.
Yeah, you can use this.
Give me a little salt and pepper.
Only a little while.
Yeah.
On your ass.
Poquito.
That shit on your ass.
Whew. Poquito. A little bit.
It be funny because he be talking all that junk. And when we get down to it. See, he be doing too much chewing. You don't chew noodles, you swallow them. Put them in your mouth. 1, 2, 3, swallow. I was seeing this video of this girl eating noodles. She didn't chew at all. That was EK. If you know, you know. That girl eating noodles, she wasn't even chewing. She was just straight swallowing them junks. You don't need to chew noodles up that much. Just chomp, 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 swallow. Especially when they hot.
I'm done now, y'all.
Okay, he done. TikTok gonna get banned on the 19th. So if y'all want to see more of me, follow me on Instagram and on my YouTube channel. YouTube is Cora's Castle. Instagram is CoraCake_. Woo! Here, you want that boiled egg? Because you need it.
Woo!
Exactly.
I don't want the
Eat
middle.
it. You need, that's the part that helps. The yolk.
I don't want it.
You don't like the yolk?
Hey, and when y'all going like
Y'all burnt me up, y'all. Blank me up.
Oh, I forgot I was still rolling on YouTube. My mouth cool down now. No boiled eggs help and some water. Being that we don't eat hot stuff like we used to, this was hot. But it definitely wasn't hotter than the 3-4 times spicy. Because we did 1, 2, and 4. I remember when we did 4, we was like, dang, what happened to 3? Or was it just 2 and 4? It was something like that. I know it wasn't 3. 3 was skipped. 3 was skipped, I believe. But good flavor per usual. Not as bad as the other one. I don't know what the Scoville, what's the Scoville units for this one?
Is it ATL?
Let me see.
What the hell?
You know what I'm saying? Made in South Korea.
I don't say.
It don't. My lips burning though.
It's good, man.
My lips is burning. Well, I guess that was my dinner. I ain't eating shit else tonight but some ice cream. It's real, y'all. It's actually snowing. And it's still falling down too. So we're supposed to get like 3 or 4 inches. I can't wait to go play in it. For breakfast, I made cheese grits and sausage and biscuit. My battery going dead. Look at Messiah. First time in the snow. Put your hat down. Snow. Can you see? You called your brother?
Mommy?
I need to put Messiah gloves on. Kids outside. Love to see it. Come here, Messiah, and put your gloves on. I feel snow going in my boots. Shush.
Mommy, I can't take up that much snow. I'm cold.
Look at that, don't fight like that, look at him.
It is 7 in the morning. Just took a test. I'm so happy, y'all. So happy. That test that I told y'all I didn't pass, and I'm talking low because the kids are asleep. Remember when I didn't pass the test last time? I passed it. Today's the 11th. So happy. Of course, I passed my task last week. So on that note, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next Monday at 7 p.m. Love y'all. Bye.
I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.